see video of a CI Hayes 12-inch wide belt furnace. Got the access panels off so you can see the conveyor drive. This will be the charge end of the furnace. There's the main heating section with the access panels for the element leads. Here's a 2-foot long vestibule transition chamber, which goes into the first cooling section. The second cooling section, coming down to the discharge end now. Just walking down the other side of the furnace, cooling sections from the other side. Access covers removed to see transformers. Notice the bundle of wire, all wired up, taken apart neatly for easily assembled. Other side showing the conveyor drive. There's the gear reducer, main drive.